जय श्री राम दोस्तों, राधे राधे. So today again we gonna talk about Dhruv Rathi. I like that person. I cannot forget him. Yeah, whatever he makes video, that gives me that gives me a good vibe about how a foreigner, Indian foreigner, can think about India. यार वो पता नहीं जर्मन जापान कहाँ रहता है, बट whatever he creates and puts in his video, that are selective, selective facts, we all know. But one thing we need to understand, that according to Dhruv Rathi, India has done nothing in last 10 years. Growth is nothing, development is nothing. According to him, we are dying. According to him, inflation is you know going high. According to him, no development, dictatorship is going on, secularism is dying, democracy is under threat, like that kind of things they want. Not only Dhruv Rathi, there is one more Patrakar whom I know. There are many, but one I know, named Ravish Kumar. I don't know they get money by other party or not, but I know, but they get nothing from BJP. And that kind of journalist, influencer we need in our country, because those people who don't like Modi, who don't like BJP, they must have a content creator who speak favor on them. It doesn't matter that are they are they speaking fact or not, but there are a bunch of people who just wants to uh, wants to listen things against BJP. So that's why they are getting, you know attention. They are being viral and making money. So Dhruv Rathi basically is a content creator. I have said that, whom I like most, because the way he choose the selective fact. And I don't know if Dhruv Rathi, and he has said once in his video that दोस्तों देखते रहना, एक दिन मेरी वीडियो डिलीट हो जाएगी क्योंकि डिक्टेटरशिप चल रही है, मेरी चैनल भी डिलीट हो जाएगी. He just wanted to save his account. Okay, if Modi government, or if Indian government banned his channel, terminate his channel, so that he can claim that I have already spoken about it, that government will terminate my account. Now they did. So he wants to have license to speak whatever he wants, but government should not terminate his account. That's why he has spoken. अगर आप अभी के टाइम में अगर गवर्नमेंट या भारतीय गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ कुछ भी अनाप शनाप बोल देता है जो कि लोगों को ऑफेंड करता है या देश की अगेंस्ट होता है, और उसके बाद अगर गवर्नमेंट उसके अकाउंट को टर्मिनेट कर देता है, देन ही हैज़ द पॉइंट टू से देखो मेरी अकाउंट को बंद कर दिया गया है, मेरी यूट्यूब चैनल को बंद कर दिया गया है, जो कि मैंने पहले ही कहा था कैसे डिक्टेटरशिप चल रहा है. सो लाइक दैट ही इज जस्ट लाइक, यार, इफ़ आई डोंट लाइक वन पर्सन, राइट, इफ़ आई हैव, मैंने अगर किसी के घर में चोरी कर ली है, और चोरी करने से पहले मैंने चोरी करना है मुझे किसी के घर में, और चोरी करने से पहले मैंने बोल दिया है कि पुलिस थाने को, देखो ये आदमी मेरे को जेल में डालना चाहता है, चोरी का केस में फंसा देना चाहता है, और कल जाके मैं चोरी कर देता हूँ और वो आदमी पुलिस के पास जाता है, तो पुलिस को जाके बोलता है कि यार एक आदमी ने मेरा चोरी किया है, वो ये है. तो पुलिस बोलेगा नहीं यार, इसने तो मुझे को 2 दिन पहले ही बोला था कि तुम इससे फंसाना चाहते हो. So that kind of game Dhruv Rathi wants to play, and according to Dhruv Rathi, there is no educated people in India. Literally, यार मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. most of the well educated people of India's people are with Modi, right? Most of the reputed persons with Modi, and those who always been one sided, who always preferred to be leftist, they are talking about being right, thinking good. Yeah, so that kind of thing doesn't make sense. And I'm watching in this time few videos of Dhruv Rathi to just know how to make money. And he was just like, yeah, it's so comedy hilarious to watch his videos, because the way he facts puts, and he try so hard to prove that whatever he's saying that has 100% fact. अभी तो नीचे गिर गया, अभी वो कह रहा है कि यार देखो आम जनता में ऐसा चल रहा है, वैसा चल रहा है. लिटरली द small YouTuber goes to the voter and they creates video, they ask what is your issue and why you are going to vote to vote caster. जो वोटर को सवाल पूछने जाते हैं, छोटे मोटे लोकल पत्रकार, उन लोगों की वीडियो की क्लिप ही इज टेकिंग एंड ही इज एडिंग इन हिज वीडियो एंड ट्राइंग and to prove that whatever that person is saying, Bhagwan jane, I believe that most of the videos in social media, whether it is about election or whether it is about anywhere, whatever, the most of the video we watch as publicly comes, reporters publicly goes to the public area crowd, and they makes video in crowd, that in that crowd there is someone who speak louder, where every time the journalist or YouTube channel owner, whatever, whoever runs, they goes to that person and ask, most of the time you tell. So that person, that 1 or 2% there always you will get, who are paid. But these are the scripted things, and that kind of scripted artist clip ध्रुव राठी is taking and putting in his video. In this day, I saw a few videos last time, जो कि वोट के बारे में, इलेक्शन के बारे में, and he doesn't hesitate to say that this is the fact. ध्रुव राठी भाई, मुझे कहीं लग रहा है, somewhere I am thinking about your standard is going decreasing, and I don't believe if Modi comes in 24, which is 100%. सो अगर मोदी आता है, राइट, जैसे कि आपने कहा कि 10 सालों में तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं देश में, आपको कौन मानेगा साहब. सो या ध्रुव राठी, जय श्री राम, राधे राधे. कभी कहते हो यार कि राम मंदिर के ऊपर की जो राम सेतु है वो भी मन गढ़ंत है, ऐसा वैसा वैसा. कभी कहते थे नो वन कैन इरेडिकेट 360 और 370. हाँ यार, देयर इज वन सबसे, उस आदमी का कोई जवाब नहीं है लिटरली. जय श्री राम, राधे राधे. भगवान भला करे. जय श्री राम.